Day 11. Programming for Abundance. Today, I program myself to embrace and attract abundance into my life. I understand that abundance is not just about material wealth, but a mindset of openness, gratitude, and flow. Abundance encompasses all areas of my life: love, health, success, opportunities, and joy. By programming myself to adopt an abundance mindset, I shift away from thoughts of lack, fear, or scarcity and instead focus on the infinite possibilities that are available to me. I trust that there is more than enough for everyone and that I'm worthy of receiving all the good and life has to offer. I begin by acknowledging any limited beliefs I may have held about abundance. Perhaps I have believed that resources are scarce, that I need to compete or struggle to get ahead, or that I am somehow unworthy of true abundance. But today, I release these beliefs. I recognize that they are rooted in fear and lack, not in truth. I choose to replace them with empowering beliefs that align with the abundant universe in which I live. I remind myself that abundance is all around me and I have the power to attract it into my life. One of the most powerful tools I use to program myself for abundance is gratitude. Today, I focus on the abundance I already have in my life, no matter how big or small. I take time to reflect on the blessing I often take for granted: my health, my relationships, my talents, and the opportunities I have been given. As I focus on gratitude, I open myself to receive even more. I understand that what I focus on expands, and by appreciating the abundance already present, I attract even more of it into my life. I also program myself to release the need for comparison. In the past, I may have compared my journey to others, feeling as though I didn't measure up or lacked something others had. But today, I understand that everyone's path is unique and there is no scarcity of success or happiness. Just because someone else is thriving does not mean that there is less abundance available for me. I release any feelings of envy or competition, knowing that abundance is infinite and there is more than enough for everyone. As I program myself for abundance, I become aware of the language I use. I eliminate words and phrases that reflect lack or limitation, such as I can't, I don't have enough, or it's too hard. Instead, I replace them with language that reflects possibility and abundance. I say, I can, I have everything I need, and opportunities are everywhere. I program my mind to focus on what is possible, knowing that my words and thoughts shape my reality. By aligning my language with abundance, I create a life that reflects it. I also open myself to receiving abundance is all its forms. Sometimes I may have blocked abundance from coming into my life because I didn't feel deserving or worthy. But today, I program myself to believe that I'm worthy of receiving all the good that life has to offer. I am deserving of success, love, joy, and financial prosperity. I release any feelings of guilt or unworthiness and open myself fully to receiving with gratitude. I know that as I receive, I also have more to give. Visualization plays a key role in programming myself for abundance. Today, I take time to vividly imagine a life filled with abundance. I see myself thriving in all areas: my career, relationships, health, and finances. I visualize myself surrounded by opportunities and success, feeling fulfilled and joyful. I imagine the peace and freedom that come with knowing that I have everything I need and more. I hold this vision in my mind and feel the emotions of abundance, gratitude, joy, and confidence. This vision becomes my reality as I align my thoughts, emotions, and actions with it. I also program myself to take inspired action toward abundance. While thoughts and beliefs are powerful, they must be accompanied by action. Today, I commit to taking steps toward my goals with confidence and trust. I release any fear of failure or doubt in my abilities, knowing that I am fully capable of achieving my dreams. I trust that the universe supports me, and as I take action, opportunities will present themselves. I op- I am open to receiving guidance and direction, and I act on the opportunities that align with my vision of abundance. As I move through the day, I remain open and receptive to the flow of abundance. I trust that the universe is constantly working in my favor, and I release any need to control or force outcomes. I understand that abundance is not something I have to chase or struggle for. It is something I attract through my mindset, energy, and actions. I surrender to the flow, knowing that everything is unfolding for my highest good. By the end of the day, I feel deeply connected to the energy of abundance. I trust that I'm supported, and I know that everything I desire is within my reach. I commit to continue this practice of abundance each day, focusing on gratitude, possibility, and inspired action with an abundance mindset. I know that my life will be filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. And mantra for day 11: programming for abundance. I am open to the infinite abundance that surrounds me. I release all thoughts of lack and replace them with gratitude, trust, and confidence. I am worthy of receiving all the good that life has to offer. I align my thoughts, emotions, and action with abundance, knowing that everything I desire is within my reach. I live in a universe of infinite possibilities and I attract abundance in all areas of my life. Thank you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.